All right, what's up everybody? This video is gonna show you how to learn a backflip in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Now you gotta remember to
what? I can't even watch this anymore. First of all, it's a back tuck. Second of all, can you learn a back tuck in 5 minutes? I have an answer for you. It starts with an N and ends with an O. No. My name is Anthony Lavender, founder of FAF YBF. That's Flippers Association for Young Boys Who Flip. The who is silent. Flipping takes time. It takes patience. If you want to flip, you're going to have to practice and you need a coach. Here at FAF YBF, we have a private learning program where you can get with an FAF YBF certified coach. He or she will guide you through your flip, spotting you, because you cannot learn flips without a spotter. Circle up! He's doing it for the views. This guy, he's just doing it for the views. I've seen this before, okay? It's called clickbait. In only 5 minutes, you just learned how to backflip because I've applied these techniques. He's drawing a graph like that's supposed to make me think he's intelligent. Okay, graphs are for giraffes. Have you seen this guy's form? Have you seen his cart full? A cart wheel full? It does not look like a wheel. It looks like a rumpa-dump. I've never been so offended in my life at a cartwheel before. Pipe down! You in the back. If you call me Whistle Boy one more time, we're gonna call your mom. My heart shrieks for the young men in society today taking advice from imbeciles like this. Everything about this guy is fake. I mean, you can clearly see the background in this video is a green screen. I've been doing flips before anybody was doing flips, okay? I started flipping back in 2012, but you gotta focus. Okay, but you have to focus. And focus on what? Your broken neck gut spilling out on the ground as you slowly die? Thank you for your time.